Welcome back to part 9, the last and final part. Maybe I just might do one more video, just to correct every mistakes I spotted in the character. I know this playlist was less of a step-by-step tutorial and more of a vlogging my practice on Blender type, but if you made it this far, I hope you got something out of it. If you have any tips for me, throw them at me too. As you can see, I need all type of help I can get when it comes to sculpting. Please leave a like if you enjoy these videos, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future projects. I have a lot of characters in the works actually. I'm trying to finish them and start dropping animation soon.